going on. And I just want to kind of toot my horn a little bit. You know, your boy been working up these charts these last couple of days, and it's been pretty accurate. Especially in the crypto. You know, it's pretty easy. Everything's going down. How much? That's the only question. But even in the stocks in the traditional markets, I kind of, dibble dabbled on them boys. So I'm gonna show that and mark it up real quick. Show you how I got to where I'm at and where it might go. So without further ado, you got to check out BLAKC. That's me. We right here with it. You know what I'm saying? You got the logos all the way around. Come to the site, play around, see some buttons. You will be surprised what you could find. Just come. I'm not even gonna try to twist your horn. But first things first. If you want to talk about the cryptos, because I'm not even gonna touch Hex. You need to do your own research on that one. HEX.com. Real talk, you definitely need to get on that one. But anyways, I told y'all. I tried to tell them. This is Bitcoin, and in Bitcoin, this is what you call the head and shoulders formation. So what that is we get the top, and that's really just a signal of bearish action on the way down. It's what's the top, the most I can buy, and then you find a group of sellers who are willing to pay more, but not much more, and then the next group of sellers don't buy as much as the guys before them, and then just less and less. So I usually don't get in this tight. This is a 15-minute chart. I'm gonna pull out to a daily, and you can see what's been going on. I told you, say I kind of had, what I'm saying. So if you look at what's marked up, we got this. This is called a bear flag. So if I hide it, you can see price is going from here, and this is I could show it, but let's delete it in because I'm just saying it's probably what's gonna happen. Let me show you how we got there. Delete actually, remove all those. So you could just see this line of resistance going down here. So that's telling me a lower high. That's too expensive. Lower high. So those lower highs tell me price wants to keep coming down. It's not going to go higher than that line. But there are a group of people who are willing to still buy. And so that group of people is right here. But eventually they get tired of buying and they say, I'm just going to go wait down here. So this becomes the last, group of people who will buy. And eventually even they get tired of buying and said, well, you know what? I probably could get some down here. I probably could wait until it comes down here. So then price just kind of drops down to this next level. So that's what I'm looking for, about 15,000. Like soon. Like these are daily count. Well, it may not take that long. We may go from here straight to here. Like it may skip this level, straight down to this 15,000. So that's what I would look for in Bitcoin. On Ethereum, kind of similar. I don't know if I showed you this. I drew this up. This was just 2 or 3 days ago. This is a 15-minute chart. So I tried to say, it's that same formation. These lower highs and that floor that stabilizes, then eventually that floor just gives out, as you see here. Find support, and there's another run. You see this run, this rally, but again, they pull that liquidity down here. So this is the new level down here, and as you can see, same story. I see the same kind of triangle. You can see it forming right here. Break that. And actually, we can get that a little steeper slope. Via price. Again, looking to find a lower level. So I'm done with this Ethereum. Actually, we need to get to the good stuff. Yeah, I think, if it can't hold that line, then we back down to here and put a circle so we can just show a prediction, put your name on it. So, what I'm saying, show you what's going on. Probably be down here. Not that we hoping for that, but Wouldn't be surprised in the next couple. That's only it's 15-minute charts. It's real close. So anyway, though, the stock market. What's been going on in the stock market today? I assume a red day. This is the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the daily. And go to the daily on them boys. It's a lot of the same. I really just wanted to come and just say I told y'all. So you know what I'm saying. Again, over the last weekend was a lot of green. So start the market off with the red. Once we hit this blue, I think tomorrow we may open with a little positive price action. But I think once price hits this blue line, this is going to be resistance, this moving average. And even if it passes there's another resistance at this red line and resistance on this blue line. So I think it's just going to be red for the next couple of days. So I think we're going to go through this red dot and probably down to this yellow line, probably down to this next blue line. So stocks, if you're getting on the put side of these options trades, that could be a good idea. I expect to go through here, and just the geometry to me is lining up to make a test of this 327, but much lower I wouldn't be surprised to come down, get into this channel, maybe even down into this channel, and stabilize to get out of this wedge. Yuck, that looks ugly, but not for oil. Oil been looking pretty good these last couple of days. I see oil coming to this is the moving average, so it's way above the moving average already. So for oil, it look like it's trying to come up to this dot right here, up to this resistance. That's a lot of headroom. I don't really see a lot of. Oh well, I take that back. There is some resistance right here. Oh, that's support actually. Yeah, so there's some support building up here. So even if price does slow up, let me just show you what might happen. A little time to bake up right there. And then you get your measure move. Let me show you how we do the geometry. But we're going to end up in this green square up here, you know what I'm saying? Or no, it's not actually. Yeah, I think it's going to pop to here, and let me show you why. But let me finish up. Yeah, I think I already did that. Yeah, I just saw it. These are lower highs. So that's why I was like, yeah, that's going to probably. Yep. So let me delete that. Let me explain what I'm looking at. So you look at this as a high, right? And then that's a low. But this is a lower high. So that's not good. You want a higher high. So to me, if this next high is here somewhere, it's going to run out and then drop to this red dot. So it's going to be either or. If it gets to this green dot, then we get on top and we go on up. If it drop, come down to this red dot, it's going to stay down here. So the price is going to really decide what's going to happen. But I like to use a line of symmetry. And if you look at the bisected angle, that's a big word. And it's the last thing. My mouth getting dry. But I got to show the money play. I got two money plays I do want to show. This is just one, actually. It's only one money play. But I'm looking at this line right here. Let me throw this away. Throw the whole line away. Price has to get over this line right here. What? Did I get it up? You feel me? That's perfect. So you can see it kind of bounced and it fell through. If price can't get over that green line, it's to the dumps. If it does get over it, then we to the moon. So you're really watching these next, Let's see what you gonna do. But yeah, it's looking like I would beg to the downside here. 90. maybe even 80. If you put in a put down to like 75, you can get paid. All right, last play. Coca Cola for real though. Hey, check out Coca Cola, man. They must let it put in you a put, let it come down and retest this resistance. For about a week, 2 weeks. What's today? Oh, 2 days, 3 days. 1st of July. On the 1st of July, buy. We buying Coca Cola on the 1st. And let me show you what you got to look ahead. Let me show you what you look ahead to. Pardon me, I don't know why they so noisy out there. Say, my guy. This Coca Cola. Now this is at the top. It broke through this. These are higher lows. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Then it popped out the top. They both saying that's too expensive. Too. Boom, popped out the top. Now it's on top. Once it retests this breakout, we're into what you call price discovery. Price discovery, my boy. It's finna get crazy. Coca Cola, man. Buy you a bunch of Coca Cola. I'm out, man. It's KC, Black KC, Bill AKC. Holla at you. Appreciate you if you're here listening. To your boy Babylon. I'm out.